In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the ringtone in Google Meet. Whether you're using Google Meet for business meetings or catching up with friends, having your preferred ringtone can make the virtual experience more personal and enjoyable. Follow along as we go through these simple steps to customize your Google Meet ringtone. First, we need to access Google Calendar. This is where you'll usually kick off your Google Meet sessions, and it's a great starting point. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll want to find the meeting you wish to join. You don't need to be in a meeting right away, but finding your way through Google Calendar helps ensure you're in the right place when you're ready. Next, look for the Join with Google Meet button in your event details. Clicking on this button will open a new tab or window that takes you directly into the Google Meet session. It's important to note that this is not just about joining a meeting. It's the route we need to follow to access the settings we'll adjust. Now that you're in Google Meet, you should see a Join Now button. Clicking this button starts your session and gives you access to more controls. Don't worry if you're the only person there. It's all part of the process. Once you're in the meeting, keep your eyes peeled for the 3 vertical dots, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your More Options menu, and it's your gateway to all sorts of settings. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Settings. You're nearly there. The Settings window is where we can find various options, but our focus today is on tweaking the sound. Within Settings, look for the Reactions tab. Don't let the name mislead you. It's not just about emojis and feedback. Clicking on Reactions will take you to a place where you can adjust the notification sounds, including enabling specific sound alerts. Here you'll see the option to Enable Sound. Make sure this is turned on so that your chosen ringtone will play whenever you have a notification or someone joins your meeting. If you find it's not enabled, simply click to toggle it on and you're all set. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your meetings with a ringtone that's both functional and suited to your taste. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and don't forget to explore other settings in Google Meet to further personalize your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy meeting.